In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age in the Epic Games Store. It's very easy, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is open your browser, head to epicgames.com. On the top right, you're going to see a sign in thing. Well, you want to sign in. So after signing in, you want to click on your name, go to account. On the left hand side, click on the need help. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see contact us. So press on that. You want to select the contact reason, click on Epic account. And then you want to, it doesn't matter what platform, you want to describe your problem. Say something like my actual date of birth is 1980 20 or something like that. Please update it. And here you can select a file if you have any kind of identification that you want to send with it. That will make it go much easier. Then submit the request. It usually takes 2 or 3 days, but this is how you update your age.